Hey everyone! For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kanika. And for those of you who do know me, my name is still Kanika. I'm really excited about this, so let me get into it. I'm a growth marketer by trade. I've headed up growth for a few tech startups, I've consulted, and I've started a few things of my own. Now I run Beta Growth, which is a conversion rate optimization firm. I've been lucky enough to be part of some really cool success stories. And behind every single one of those success stories is one thing. It's a deep and customized understanding of human psychology. So that's what I'm going to dive into here. Behind every great headline, every great email, every great referral program, really every great conversion funnel is that one thing. It's a deep understanding of human psychology. So I'm going to break down different psychological principles, help apply them through a marketing lens, and then you can take them and use them for your own growth marketing. It'll be a little mix of Bill Nye the Science Guy meets Eugene Schwartz meets Sigmund Freud, minus the weird stuff. So stay tuned and I'll be back soon. And if I've piqued your interest even a little bit, it would make my day if you subscribed. I promise, I'll make it worth your while.